Welcome back, people. We are in the Algarve, Portugal, and it's January 2021, and we are presently in a lockdown until the 30th of January 2021. Before this lockdown came into effect, we had 2 days when we could hit the shops, and it was the period when we bought our couch. I hope you've seen the video about how we got our couch. And also we went to Mars shopping center, and while I was there and I was in some stores looking for some clothes on reductions or on sales, I went into H&M. And H&M had a very interesting promotion. I didn't went in all the shops in Mars shopping center, but I went in quite a few, and frankly in H&M it was the only place where I found this. So because the following day this lockdown was supposed to take effect and all the shops were closed now, they had a sale. H&M has in Portugal makeup, so they sell makeup. Maybe they are selling in other countries, I don't know, but in my country, in Romania, at H&M you cannot buy makeup. So they have lots of makeup on sale. The price for old items, the normal price, was €9.99, and now they were all on sale with €1.99. Basically, all the items were like €2. So I thought, oh my god, I have to try some items because I never try H&M products in makeup, and also I thought it was a good idea for a video to see what you can buy in sales in Portugal if we are speaking about makeup. So today we are trying some H&M makeup in a major reduction, like 80% reduction. I don't know of a better chance, for me at least, to try some of their makeup. So let's see, the first item we bought was lips, cheek and eyes do-it-all stick. This was the price, and this is the price with the reduction. Do you know any other store where you can buy makeup so cheap? I don't know if it's any good, but I guess we will going to find out together. So it looks like that. I'm going to swatch it here. The color is a little bit orangey for me, but they say it's for the cheeks. Let's try it. Let's bring the camera a little close. Let's try it on the cheeks and see. They say it's very sheer, but for me I like products to be a little matte. So I don't like sheer products and I don't like shiny products. I guess it looks very good. I think I would wear this in the summer when you don't really wear a lot of makeup. When you go to the beach, this, I think it's perfect. I have to make this mention that I bought all these products. These products were sealed. I didn't get the chance to try them on. They didn't have samples because of the situation, and good for them. So everything that I bought in blind. I just went for the color on the package. But you see, the color on the package is this. It's like a mauve, and the color of the product is really apricot. Another product that I bought is this Solar Flare Bronzing Powder. Raw powder. €1.99. It was also €10 before the sales. And this is how the product looks. I really like the color. It says here that has sheer coverage and gives an effect of sun-kissed glow. Let's see. It's not so sheer. I mean, it has a coverage. You see? So go gently with this one. I like this color. I mean, you can build up coverage with this. It's not so sheer as they say. The other products, also €1.99, is this. And it's for the eyes, Curated Eye Quad. So I chose because here says box of chocolate, and I thought if it says box of chocolate, it has to be some assortment of brown. And here, this is something that I tried as soon as I got home because I was very curious. And here is the color choice. I think it's perfect. This I wouldn't really wear in the summer, but for the winter, it's very nice. Let's do some swatches to see if it's covering well. This is this color here. It's that one. It's like a champagne. The second one, I don't really like. This one I like best. This one. And the more dark one. So I would choose this one to use, and this one more champagne one. I really like that. All in all, a very good choice that I made without actually seeing the colors. Another product that I bought also for $1.99 is this powder blush. It's very pink on the camera, but it's not that pink on my cheeks. It looks very pinkish, but really when you disperse it on the cheek, it doesn't really look very pinkish. I really like to wear pink. If you see, also my lipstick is pink. I don't know, for some reason it goes well with my hair. I don't know. You wouldn't say that I am the type of person to wear pink, and not really that type of pink, so powerful, but all in all, I think it's okay. And the last product, because I didn't really buy much, just 2, 3, 4, 5 products, it's a concealer trio. It looks like that, concealer trio. And I never had this type of product. I mean, so much concealer in one. I don't really use much concealer. I just use it around my eyes because I'm 40 and it shows. And these are the colors. And of course, the one who is suited for me, it's this one, the more sheer, the more light one. And it looks like this, the more dark one. It doesn't really show on the camera, but I think for me are very dark. I think I'm not going to use this as concealer. Here it's very dark, you see. I don't think I'm going to use this as concealer. I think I'm going to use this as a way of sculpting the face. And this is the reason why I never buy this kind of products with a lot of colors, because I know from the start I'm not going to use it. I usually use the lightest color, and now I chose the lightest also, light to medium. And I pay for all these products. I paid 10 euros for all of it, and each and every one cost 10 euros. So I got 5 items at a price of 1. For me, it was an interesting find, and I thought to share it with you because why not? What else are we going to see than a makeup review at H&M on lockdown? So if you didn't caught this by now, I'm trying to film 2 videos a week, one on Wednesday and one on Sunday like before. So I added one more in the middle of the week because it's lockdown and we have to occupy the time with something, and why not with news from the Algarve. Until next time, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!